Learn some business English idioms. Welcome back to our channel, Smart and Easy English. In today's video, we're diving into the realm of business English and uncovering some common idioms that you'll often encounter in professional settings. Whether you're a business professional, an English learner, or just curious about language, this video is for you. So let's get started. Our first idiom is cut to the chase. This expression means to get to the main point or the most important part of a conversation or situation without wasting time on irrelevant details. In a business context, it's essential to be concise and direct when presenting ideas or discussing important matters. So instead of beating around the bush, remember to cut to the chase and get straight to the heart of the matter. Here's a sample sentence. We have limited time for this meeting, so let's cut to the chase and focus on the key issues at hand. Next up, we have the idiom, think outside the box. This phrase encourages creative thinking and problem solving by suggesting that we should consider unconventional or alternative approaches. In the fast-paced world of business, innovative ideas and unique perspectives are highly valued. So, if you want to stand out and make a difference, remember to think outside the box and bring fresh ideas to the table. Here is a sample sentence. To stand out in the market, we need to think outside the box and come up with innovative solutions. Moving on, we have the expression, ballpark figure. In business, when discussing numbers or estimates, this idiom refers to a rough or approximate amount rather than an exact figure. It's often used when talking about budgets, costs, or projections. For example, if somebody asks you about the cost of a project, you can give them a ballpark figure to provide an approximate idea without getting into precise details. Here is a sample sentence. We don't have exact numbers yet, but we can provide a ballpark figure for the project's budget. Now, let's talk about the idiom, call it a day. This phrase is commonly used to indicate that a particular task or activity is finished, especially when it's been a long or tiring day. In a business context, it's essential to recognize when it's time to stop working on a project and accept that further efforts won't lead to significant improvements. Knowing when to call it a day is crucial for managing time effectively and maintaining work-life balance. Here's a sample sentence. It's been a long day of negotiations. Let's call it a day and reconvene tomorrow with fresh perspectives. Our next idiom is in the red. When a business is in the red, it means that it's operating at a financial loss or has negative cash flow. The phrase originated from bookkeeping practices where losses were often recorded in red ink. In contrast, being in the black means having a positive financial position or making a profit. So, if your company is constantly in the red, it's crucial to identify and address the underlying issues to turn things around. Here's a sample sentence. The company's expenses exceeded its revenue, and we found ourselves in the red this quarter. Now, let's discuss the idiom, get the ball rolling. This expression means to initiate or start something, often referring to beginning a project, a meeting, or a process. In a business environment, it's essential to be proactive and take the initiative to move things forward. So, if you want to make progress or get a project off the ground, remember to get the ball rolling and take that crucial first step. Here's a sample sentence. To start the project, we need to get the ball rolling by assigning tasks to the team members. Our next idiom is have a lot on one's plate. This phrase is used to describe someone who has many tasks, responsibilities, or commitments to deal with. In the business world, it's common to juggle multiple projects or assignments simultaneously. So if you ever find yourself overwhelmed with a heavy workload, Remember that it's essential to prioritize, delegate, and manage your time effectively to handle everything on your plate. Here's a sample sentence. With multiple projects and deadlines approaching, I have a lot on my plate this week. Lastly, we have the idiom, go the extra mile. This expression encourages individuals to put in extra effort, exceed expectations, and go beyond what is required. In a competitive business environment, going the extra mile can set you apart and leave a lasting impression. It demonstrates dedication, commitment, and a willingness to go above and beyond to achieve success. So, remember to go the extra mile in your professional endeavors and stand out from the crowd. Here's a sample sentence. In order to exceed customer expectations, our team is always willing to go the extra mile to deliver exceptional service. And there you have it, a glimpse into the world of business English idioms. These expressions are not only useful for effective communication, but also reflect the unique culture and dynamics of the business world. Incorporate them into your vocabulary and use them appropriately to enhance your professional interactions. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more English learning content. Thanks for watching, and remember to enjoy the journey. I'll catch you in the next video.